Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. We have 99-cent Dove deodorant over at Walgreens and free scent beads over at Meijer grocery store, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. If you can line up the deal perfectly with the rebate app IBOTTA and with the Dove deodorant Fetch Rewards, both terrific apps. So we're going to dive for the Dove deodorant deal over at Walgreens. A special thank you to Daily Deals Daisy, a little bit of alliteration there. Daisy, thank you so much for this deal. She posted about this and I went and tried it out, and she's right on the money with this deal. I'll also link her Instagram if you're an Instagrammer in the notes. Go and follow her. She posts terrific Walgreens deals. So for this specific deal, you're going to grab a vitamin deodorant and then a whole body deodorant. So one of each. Guys, so we are going to be grabbing one of each, and they are BOGO 50% off. And Daisy suggests that you scan the vitamin one first and then the whole body secondly. I'm guessing it's going to pop certain rebates on the Fetch Rewards app or something like that. We also have this digital coupon, which is a $4 off of two, so please make sure you have it loaded. I believe there's also a TearPad coupon, but you have to use one or the other. I know there was a $3 one, but it expired in July. So this is the one that we're going to load, which is a 4 off of 2. Now I'm going to show you guys my receipt. So two of these on a BOGO 50% off, subtracting that $4 coupon, it's $15.48. Now I kind of wish that I had used this $6 register reward, so I would pay like $9 and some change out of pocket. It would have made a lot more sense, but I actually left this in a different, like I just brought my wallet to the store. I didn't bring my whole purse that had this in it, so that's like awesome. Thumbs up this video if you do stupid stuff like that. Anyhow, I paid $15.48. If you want to use Walgreens cash, go for it. Get your receipt, and then you're going to photograph it to the Fetch Rewards app. Daisy got 12,000 points. I am 4,000 short because I had a different rebate, but I got the 5,000 for spending 20 and then 2 extra Dove ones. She had an extra rebate as well for like, I think it's 200 points back for each one or each unit, but it amounted to 4,000 extra points. I recommend to go visit her page to go see how she did it, but she got hers for 99 cents. With that $6 register reward, it would have balanced for me as well. And honestly, if you have a lot of Walgreens cash or register rewards, you have to spend them one way or another, so that's just a great way to do it. I might do this deal one more time because I have a whole bunch tracking on the Fetch Rewards app for Dove, and I just really want to finish some of these like gift card, because with the Fetch Rewards app, you collect points for gift cards, and I'm really close to getting a gift card. So what an amazing deal. If you love the Dove deodorant, I love that whole stick. It's really fantastic, to throw it in your purse for these hot summer days. It's a great item. Next store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest only. Google if you might have this grocery store or not, and there are no sister stores. So they're having a 2-day sale where a lot of the Arm & Hammer laundry care products are 50% off. So these scent beads are $2.99. Now, you can do this deal 2 different ways, depending if you've been in and out of the store grabbing it. But this is the one that I went with, which is called Arm & Hammer Light. A lot of people love this more than fabric softener, too. It's a very popular product. We have this dollar digital that will only attach to one. So please keep that in mind, but definitely load this. I know I loaded this a couple weeks ago, so I don't know if it's like you can only load it last week or something like that, but I loaded it last week and it was still on my card. IBOTTA is currently giving $2 back, so I think you can figure out the math there. A $2.99 product, subtracting that dollar digital, you're going to pay $1.99. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $2 back. It makes one of them free. So that's fantastic. Typed out there. The limit for that one is 1. Now, let's just say if you wanted to grab, the limit for this is up to 3. You can, in theory, grab 3 of these for $2.99 each. So that would be $8.97 you would pay. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $6 back. It would make it $2.97 for the 3, or like 99 cents per. So it still makes it a very good price, considering that one is usually like upwards of just under $6. And this isn't the itty bitty one that they sell at Walgreens. It's the larger one, and you have the different one like Arm & Hammer Light and just like the different scents, which are pretty good. So you have to do this one by Saturday. Last thing I want to talk about, while I was in the Meijer app last night, our old friend Bounty 4 rolls in 1. My God, this is the most contentious and controversial paper towel in history. Like, people get really mad from this. It's $5.19. We have $1 emperor, so it makes it $4.19. So for $4.19, would you buy our friend? Let me know in the comments down below. I posted a little poll on Instagram, and I think like under 100 people said absolutely not. They think it's a waste of money. Yet I'm still fascinated by this product. And I did check also this morning, guys, on those Downy, the comfy cozy beads for $4.99 with the $4 emperor. Are they back in stock? No. But my friend in Lansing, a couple girls are saying that it's starting to show up in their stores in the southern part of Michigan. So you might want to check for those. Are they back in stock? That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.